Our Earth is getting sicker by the day. By the end of this century, our planet has been projected to be 4 degrees hotter if nothing is being done to arrest the problem. In Kuantan Port, we are aware this problem would arise. Therefore, our team works diligently to operate this port towards a much more sustainable approach. A strategic plan called the Green Port Initiatives, which consists of 5 pillars, was developed to guide Kuantan Port towards the goal of being a green port by 2030. As our business grows, we need to keep up with the growth by furnishing our port with the latest machinery. At the end of last year, the Kuantan Port Container Terminal received 4 additional units of the hybrid rubber-tied gantry crane, eco-friendly container handling machinery that can help to reduce the carbon footprint in Kuantan Port. The machine is a greener counterpart, but what exactly is the rubber-tied gantry crane?
Rubber-tired gantry crane or RTG is designed for loading and unloading containers at the container yard. The machine's function is to transfer the containers onto the trailer or otherwise within stack according to block, slots, rows and tiers. Like any other machinery, our existing conventional RTG is fueled by diesel. And here, where is the fun part begins, I will introduce you to our new hybrid RTG. Not only by using diesel power, but with the help of battery power. Due to the combination of the 2 power sources, namely diesel and battery, the diesel engine used for hybrid RTG is downsized compared to the conventional RTG. Thus, it requires lesser fuel. The hybrid RTG battery will store the extra power recovered by the RTG while operating, so that the power will not be wasted unnecessarily. The hybrid RTG also comes with 4 L's: lower operational cost, lower maintenance cost, lower carbon emission, and less noise, which contribute to lesser noise pollution.
With the hybrid system, the carbon emission produced by this new hybrid RTG is 60% less than the conventional RTG. This is a good start to our vision in combating climate change, such we have seen today. The hybrid RTG is not the only effort by Kuantan Port to operate this port towards a greener approach. We have 2 ports here in Kuantan Port. Each has its number of berth according to its specific functions, where the second port had just opened and became fully operational in 2019. The Kuantan Port new deep water terminal was constructed to handle vessels up to 120,000 deadweight tons, 3 times bigger than the limit in Kuantan Port 1. How are we reducing the carbon footprint here? The answer is no other than the Bulk Cargo Terminal System or BCT.
The fully automated bulk cargo terminal system is furnished with 2 gigantic machines known as ship unloaders. It is also equipped with 2 combined bucket wheel stacking and reclaiming machine, which comes with an advanced control belt conveyor system. The bulk cargo terminal system is able to reduce berth occupancy, which contributes to greenhouse gas emission and air pollution. Besides, the 2 kilometers belt conveyor system helps to eliminate the truck movement from berth to yard. The road and dust suppression barrier is one of the most advanced environmental technology to control wind in yard phase 1A. It reduces the range of wind speed, improve environmental quality, and also environmental friendly for the port community.
The bulk cargo terminal system is able to reduce the berth occupancy, which will also reduce the greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution at the berth due to the shorter port stay. The average port stay for the new deep water terminal is around 3.3 days, compared to the average port stay at Kuantan Port 1, which is about 5 days. Soon, the 12-kilometer tubular conveyor belt that connects Kuantan Port with the Alliance Steel plant in the Malaysia-China Kuantan Industrial Park will be completed. Once operational, the raw material from the new deep water terminal yard will be transported directly to Alliance Steel using the tubular conveyor belt. It will reduce the truck movement significantly from Kuantan Port to Alliance Steel, which will lead to lesser carbon emissions and create safer traffic inside and outside of Kuantan Port. Kuantan Port strives to be one of the green ports in Malaysia that will encourage a considerably more environmentally friendly approach in the future. With the Kuantan Port Green Port initiatives, we have composed 5 pillars to achieve the 2030 Green Port status. They are: to reduce the dust pollution level, to implement the carbon footprint initiative, to control sea pollution, to implement the initiative of energy and water efficiency, and finally, to control the effectiveness of waste management. From now onwards, we will do more than what is expected in order to create a better environment for our future generations.